the most recent sale. $975.
And the price per square foot was $819 per square foot. And right next door, we've got 29282 Sonoma Way. That's selling for $919,000. And that's $569 a square foot, which historically is not a low price, but now it is a low price compared to everything else. That's a difference of $250 a square foot. So if we're able to get the same price per square foot for this house as the next door sold, that'd be $404,000. Of course, you've got the cost of making the upgrades and carrying costs.
Hi. Hey, how you doing? Good. How are you?
Good. But with that kind of margin, you definitely make some money here. At the top of the stairs, we've got a little bathroom.
Go upstairs first. Bedroom. Hey, kitty cat.
Then we've got another hall bedroom. And then after that, we'll go by the cat and see the master.
Hello. Excuse me. Here's the master bedroom.
Here's the primary bedroom. While looking out of the window, you can see a fairly large yard with a good-sized retaining wall, separated by a fence for some reason. Turning around in the primary bedroom, we see the primary bath and a pretty good-sized walk-in closet right next to our friend the cat. There's the bath and the closet.
I'm just taking a quick video for my client. No worries. Thank you.
And here's the stairs overlooking the living room. And at the bottom of the stairs, we got the HVAC unit. I don't think there's any air conditioning. And it looks original, so probably need to replace that. Here's the garage. A lot of stuff in the garage. Couldn't really walk. Yeah, couldn't walk around. And here's the kitchen. Another bedroom. Downstairs bedroom, which is nice to have. But here's the kitchen. Granite countertops. Not in really bad condition, but not obviously not brand new. Nice range and microwave. Maybe those could be reused. Got a dog door. Nice patio.
Oh, it's got brand new windows. Already stucco, but not painted.
Yeah, the whole outside of the house needs to be painted, but brand new windows. That's going to help. I don't know what that area is.
Huge side yard. Window.
And then there's a.
You might be able to get an ADU in, actually.
Yeah, maybe you could get an ADU in there. I'm not sure. Back into the kitchen. And out in the living room, someone's commenting on the fireplace.
But the fireplace doesn't look bad.
Hi.
Yes, not bad. Not bad.
High ceilings. Really nice.
What I would do.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of this great house. If you're interested, definitely give me a call at 949-354-4464, or you could always email me at grant@grantlowell.com. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next one.